Alright, you guys got to see this. I'm with the guys at DFW Speed Syndicate. This is effing Ford. This is a real simple build. 4R70 automatic trans, relatively stock motor, Straub 264 cam, 8 to 10 pounds. Check this sucker out. That's on 300 wide tires, Nitto 555s. Got fly cut at the helm.
Yeah, that was about maybe 2/3 throttle.
This thing is nuts and a daily driver. Unbelievable. You guys, seriously, hit up DFW Speed Syndicate for all your 300 Ford needs. They've got some cool stuff in the mix. We got more coming from Offenhauser. We got some cool stuff coming. You guys are gonna love it. Any more thoughts?
No, man, we appreciate it. Love it. Having a lot of fun. And, you know, don't swap out that 300 for an LS or a Coyote. Just build the 300. It's way cooler. It's way cooler.
There's a lot of secrets out there still. We're gonna bring them to light. So y'all stay tuned.